quarter panels are already cut, we're gonna go ahead and mark out the front carbon fenders and cut them as well. I've drawn out the exact line of where I want to cut the fender. So I've drawn it on this side and matched it to the driver's side. And I'm happy with how much space that gives me. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop them up. I think I've decided what I want to do is trim the kit around the vents. When the car is wrapped, the carbon vents on the fenders and on the hood are going to be exposed carbon, so they won't be wrapped. And I kind of want to keep the full vent look, so I'm going to trim the kit, and then we'll end up molding the kit to the bottom of the vents. I also put a poll on Instagram, and it was like blown out of the water. Everyone wanted the kit trimmed. I'm gonna go ahead and trim the kit on the line that I have drawn out, and we'll see how that looks. Okay, so we trimmed out the kit, and personally I think it looks way better with the full vents exposed. So you can see now I have quite a bit of a gap looking down, which is okay because I'll fill straight across to the body, and then this will be left exposed carbon and won't be wrapped. So I think that's a way better look. We're gonna go ahead and do it on the other side. I have the other side marked out for the vents on the driver's side. I'm gonna trim out around the headlight as well.
Now that the kit is all trimmed, we can go ahead and grind down the paint to bare metal.
sealant, and we're gonna put a bead around the perimeter of the kit, and then go ahead and screw the kit onto the car for good, and then we're ready to start the bondo.
Wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me.